Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry, and today is Thursday, July 23rd, and the time is around 4 a.m. GMT. Today we will be looking at the chart of Tesla. This is a 30 minutes chart here. Okay, now Tesla has been one of the favorite stocks for the millennials because of the volatility here, right? I think the Robinhood traders do like to trade Tesla a lot. Now, since it bottoms in March, it has rallied like 400% or so since the bottom in last March because of the COVID-19 sell-off. Now you can see this is the all-time high. We label it as wave 3, and the pullback here is sharp, but so far we are labeling this wave 4 ending here as a wave 4. Okay, so that means from here we can see a clear 1 2 3 4 5, right? So there are a couple of actually there are a couple of possibilities to label this, and I will explain all of them. Okay, but for now our bias remains higher, right, with the trend. So we are calling this as a wave 4, and then from here we have 5 swings or 5 waves. Therefore, as long as we stay above 1431, we could see further upside in Tesla, and eventually it can break to new all-time high, right? So in this count here, this is the most aggressive count, in which we are calling this 1 2 1 2 1 2. So it's a triple nest in here, and if so, we should be looking for continuation higher in an impulsive manner to the upside pretty soon. Now, some alternates here that we can consider. Okay, the other less bullish alternate is that this 1 2 3 4 5 ended with 1 as a diagonal. Okay, so in that case we could put 1 here, and we move 1 here, and 2, this is 2 in black, 3 in black, 4 in black, 5 in black, ending 1 in red. So this is going to be 1 of 5. And then in that kind of scenario, yes, we can do a double like this, right? We can do a double, in which case then you will label this as an ABC. Okay, you will label this as an A, you will label this as a B, and then you will label this as a C. Okay, and then once the ABC is finished, we can go higher again from here. Okay, once the 3-ways pullback is finished, we can go higher again from here to new high. Okay, so let's say if it does a double, we can check out here in the 100% extension. Is going to be this area. In case it does a double, then you will need to change the count to 1 2 3 4 5 ending 1. It will be an ABC, which is looking for support in this area, 1501 1576, and then from there Tesla can go higher again. So certainly this count here is also pretty realistic, and pretty it's very possible if it can happen. Okay, and that still is a bullish count as far as we stay above 1431. Now I guess the next question is there any bearish alternate? And yes, there is, right? Now again, we don't like trading against the trend. The trend has been bullish, so there is no point in trying to pick the all-time high in Tesla, right? So we just want to go with the trend, and since from here we can see 5 swing or 5 waves, we do like to be on the bullish side. Now the bearish alternate can count like this. So now first of all, let's take a look zooming out first. Let me go to the, let's say, weekly. So again, there's no point anybody trying to be a hero picking the top in Tesla is number one. Until the trend dies down by itself, don't try to pick the top is the best mantra here. Now secondly, if we take a look here, this is a weekly chart. Now even on the weekly side, it is very clear, right, that this one is very extended, very impulsive. That is a wave 3, I don't see a 4 and a 5 yet. So if this is some kind of 1 2 from here, I definitely do not see a 4 and a 5 just yet. Now if we are starting that with 4, then eventually we can go to 23.6, 38.2 retracement, which we have already hit over here. So technically we could have completed and then go higher again. Now if we want to do further downside, then yeah, maybe we can go to 38.2, going back to 1244 before the next leg higher again in Tesla. Okay, now the rather bearish down can consider this one here as your wave A, but instead of ABC like this, you can call this as a huge flat. So you have an A expanded flat, you have a B over here, and then you have a 5 ways up from here as a flat. So you move downgrade the degree. So you label this 1 2, all right, and then let me erase everything, and then this is 3 4, and then this could be your 5, right? This could be your 5. So you have an ABC expanded flat from your ABC, and that will end your wave C of B. But again, unless you like to pick the top, and this is possible, but unless you like to pick the top and not trading with the trend, we don't like it, then there's no reason to label it this way. Okay, because we don't like to pick the top, so we don't like to label it this way. And if that's the case, then we can finish this expanded flat ABC here. This is wave A, this is wave B, and then we can go down like this in the wave C as an impulsive move, 5 ways down. And perhaps if that's the case, then we can go to fill the gap here, maybe, right, going back to 1244, something like that, before the next leg higher. Eventually, we do like to continue for the upside because it looks incomplete here, the move to the upside over here. All right, so hopefully that helps. And as always, if you want to check our service, we have 14 days free trial. I will provide the link in the description of the video. We also have summer promotion as well, 2 for 1. I also provide the link to the promotion in the description of the video below. So see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day to everyone.